Okay, so I've been everywhere online looking for some grapes, and nobody wants to give me any. So I have my cheese and my olive oil, cheese, and an empty wine glass. So, oh, I forgot my bread. I got my bread. Here it is. Bread, dip. Good. And my little squeezer. So I'm gonna have to consider it a wishing well. Here's some euro. And here's some pennies. I'm wishing I could have some grapes to make some wine. Bye.